Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily duplicate an existing listing type without the use of a plugin. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to go ahead from our WordPress dashboard and just go to our listing types here. Let's say we want to duplicate the gym listing type in this case, and we're going to bring in a new listing type called job. I'm just picking a random example, okay? So we're going to edit our listing type. Over here on the right-hand side under config, we're going to click export config file. That's going to download a copy of that config to our local workstation. We're just going to jump right back up here over in the top left-hand part of our screen and click add new. Let's type in that job name for the listing type there, the title of the listing type. All right, and then we're going to click publish. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit more and we're going to click import config file. And we're going to import that file that we downloaded to our local workstation from the previous steps. And then we're going to click OK to replace the existing listing type configuration because we don't have one at this point. It's just blank. Okay, so go ahead and click OK there. The only thing you need to be really sure that you change right away before you start diving into configuring this new job listing type is to change the singular name. So I would put job here, and then the plural name, I would put jobs. Okay. You can also put something else if you would like that closely resembles the job listing type. But if the name of the job listing type is job, then you might as well put job and jobs. Hope that makes sense. And after that, just make sure you click update to save your changes. That's it. That's all there is to it. You've now duplicated an existing listing type that you really like the configuration for. And now you can go in here to your fields and your blocks, your preview cards and all that, and just make the tweaks that you need. And you're off to the races. All right. Hope all is well and catch you on the next one.